Hello everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer. I'm making this video for all the candidates who want to prepare for reading. I'm going to tell you about B1 level reading for secure English language test. This video can be extremely useful for candidates who are taking general training IELTS and their required band score is 4 or 4.5. This video is for beginners, so if you don't know English and you have a problem with reading, you hate it, I'm here for you. Let's start. Reading has 4 parts. Today, in this lesson, we're going to go through part 1, multiple choice questions. What should be your strategy and what you should do in order to get the correct answer. Let's start. In the part 1, you will get multiple choice questions. And to answer multiple choice questions from those little paragraphs, there is a tip for it. What is that tip? I'm going to write it in here for you. Number 1, read the title first. Now you will be asking me, teacher, what is a title? I don't even know what is a title. So let me tell you what is a title. As you can see, this little paragraph in here, this is your title. And can you read it for me? It says, fantastic student rooms to let. You might be thinking, what is let? Do not worry yet. We'll find out. Now, second step. Have a look at any pictures on the paragraph so that you can have an idea what this paragraph is all about, because most of the students who are performing this task, English is not their first language. So they find it quite difficult to read. Am I right? So in here, let's try to move this thing. Okay, let's move it downwards if we can. All right, that's right. So what is the second step? The second step is look at the photos if you have any pictures in the paragraph or you see any picture on the passage. That will give you a hint that what that paragraph is about. Now, we do see something going on in here. Fantastic student rooms to let. We see a sofa in here, a lamp in here, and a painting here too. So this paragraph is about students, good rooms, to let. If you don't know what is to let, it means to give away for rent, right? To let. To let means to give for rent, for their residence or for their accommodation. Step 1, read the title. Step 2, look at any pictures, if you have any pictures here in the paragraph or in the passage. Now it is time for step number 3. So do you know what is step number 3? Step number 3 is, any guesses? Read the question. Read the question. I know in your school, in your college, you never wanted to read the passage first. You always read the questions first. So in here also, we'll quickly have a look at the questions. So here we are. A, no facilities. B, no vacancies. Vacancy means that no empty room available. C, near college. So we have 3 options. Now let's go through the passage. That is your step number 4. We are going to scan. Scanning. You know about a scanner? We're going to find the answer by reading the passage. Of course, we cannot just guess and find the correct answer. So in order to pass, we have to work a little harder on understanding a little bit of English too. So number 4, read the passage and scan the answer. Read the passage and scan the answer Let's have a look. All right, it says single or shared accommodation, short-term and long-term let. Fully furnished. So this means that furniture, all facilities are already available. And it is available for being rented, right? They're saying short-term and long-term let. Contact rooms at the rate of studylet.co.gb. What is the correct answer? No facilities is a wrong answer. No vacancies is also a wrong answer. What is your correct answer? Can you guys tell me? Near college. Although this is not written in the paragraph, but these two other options are not relatable at all. And that's how we're going to pick our answer, near college, because no facilities, that is wrong, because that place is fully furnished. No vacancies, that is also incorrect, because they are saying that single and shared room available for accommodation. So how to get a correct answer? By understanding that which option is actually not the answer and choosing the one, although it is not given in the paragraph, but the correct answer is near college, right? This is my first video. So if you would like it, do let me know in the comment section so that I can make more videos for you guys.